Hello, Verity traders. This is our daily market recap. Let's see what happened in the markets. All right, the S&P 500 rose about 0.5%. The Nasdaq has also been gaining. There was a little rebound in AI and software-driven tech stocks. Oracle has also been surging on good news. This doesn't mean that the tech space is not out of favor. It's still out of favor. I wouldn't rush in any bullish trades in the tech sector. We need to see what's going to happen, how the situation will develop. We're going to have a look at the Qs very soon, so charts will tell us better what the situation really is. The Dow closed above the 50,000 mark for the first time. This was driven by rotation into value stocks, which we've been seeing for a while. Hedge funds, though, have been increasing their short positions in U.S. stocks. This has been signaling cautious sentiment, which is a little bit of a surprise considering that most of the quote-unquote normal stocks have been performing really well. And we're going to look at the equally weighted S&P in a minute. Retreating US dollars been pressuring precious metals. Traders are very much waiting for the upcoming CPI. Yes, we also have job data. We have earnings from companies like McDonald's and Coca-Cola, but the upcoming CPI is going to be a big market mover. In terms of advancing and declining stocks, we still have a 50-50 situation, and same for stocks above or below the 50 SMA. Let's look at the S&P chart. Okay, so we moved down a few days before. We got to this key level of support and we bounced back. We again at this all-time highs levels. Now, this is heavily skewed towards the Mag 7, the big tech companies. But here, down here, if you see the equally weighted S&P, which is the RSP, we've been on a bull run for a long time. This has always been going up and up and up and up. So this is showing us that normal stocks, all the other sectors that are not tech or communications are performing really well. They're bullish, they keep going up, and this has not been stopping. If we look instead at the Nasdaq chart, this is the ETF's QQQ, is a completely different story. Here again, we're at the same level, the same area from October 2025. Yes, there was a little rebound. Here was on high volume. Here we don't have amazing volume, and we're still below the 20 and the 50 SMA. Yes, it was a rebound, but is it going to break to the upside or is it going to roll over and back down? We don't know that, so we need to wait and see what's going to happen. It's really volatile. It's true the volatility came down a little bit, but still, the tech sector is volatile and very reactionary. In the map, we could see the little rebound. I would not call it little because the numbers are big, but compared to how much the whole sector was down, this is not a huge rebound, but we can see in the maps, the broad market maps, that the tech sector had a little bounce. Now, the rest of the stocks have been performing well. They keep performing well. Consumer defensive took a little bit of a hit, but this is normal. And same for healthcare, which has been a little bit of problems with some companies, some other companies suing other companies and so on. Now, on the economic calendar, as we discussed, we have non-farm employment change and unemployment rate on Wednesday, but the big thing will be the CPI on Friday. So we'll see if this number comes hotter than expected or not. That could be a really market mover. That's why traders are a bit cautious this week. In terms of stocks to add to your watch list, we have VRT, 4XU and STX on the bull side, and Box, HIMS, and FIVN on the bear side. You can add them to your watch list. Again, this is not financial advice. Take responsibility for your trades, and I'll see you next time.